Now I'm working on this spreadsheet to make it look nice. So we've resized some columns and rows, we've centered the heading across the top, and we've made some nice headings here. But I missed a few things out. And rather than have to remember exactly what I did, there's a nifty little tool called the Format Painter, which is going to allow me to copy the formatting from one place to another. So I've got this lovely format over here. Now I know I got it from format from Cell Styles over here, and I could just go and apply it. But what I'm going to do is use Format Painter to say I'm going to pick that format and paint it on some other cells. So I'll demonstrate how I can paint it on one cell. So I'll come up to the cell, select the cell I want to copy, come up to Format Painter in the clipboard group and click it once. When I click it once, you'll see it's been switched on, and when I put the mouse onto the page, it gets a paintbrush. I'll click once and it's now changed Total Hot Drinks into that green shading with the white text. So I'll click Total Hot Drinks, and this time I'm going to double click, which switches the Format Painter on for a bit longer. So I can click on Total Cold Drinks, click on Total Milkshakes, and click on Total Expenditure down here. And when I've done all of that, I can click back on the Format Painter to switch it off. So as you'll agree, that's a really handy little tool for copying formatting. So let's say I'm going to change this income format again. I'm going to make this bigger because it really needs to be a little bit bigger. And I'm going to change it to my orange. My Coffee Island colours are orange. And I'm going to give it a light green shaded background. Let's see if we can find the same shade. No, let's just stick with that one. And I'd like to copy that to all those other cells. So I'm going to double click my Format Painter and add it to each of those cells. And I'm also going to add it to my expenditure, which is here. So as you can see, it makes life really simple to add it, and I've switched it off. Now because I made this all much bigger, they don't fit. So it's a good idea to recap resizing the columns. So I'll resize column A first by double clicking, and then I'm going to select all of those cells together and double click any of the dividing lines. And as you can see, Excel has resized all of it all in one go. Now, isn't that nice?